Hey y'all, iRick Sky here, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial. And if you've purchased a bigger micro SD card, yet you look at your storage capacity, you can see here mine says 4K 30, and I've only got 11 minutes and 15 seconds of recording time. So why is that? Because I've already inserted my micro SD card, and by the way, you can expand this video's description, and you can check the link there to find the micro SD card like I use for my Mavic 2 Pro. Good news is the solution is quite simple. Oops, I disconnected from my aircraft there. And see, this actually popped up and said that, but if it doesn't, you may not be aware of the fix. So directly below the record button, there's those three bars, those three white bars. Click those three white bars. Once you do that, you're going to want to select the top right option. It looks like a gear. Mine's already on the gear. So since I'm already on the gear, I'm going to scroll down. And then I'm going to go to the fourth option from the bottom. It says storage location, internal storage. I'm going to select that. And then I'm going to select, instead of internal storage, I'm going to select my micro SD card. So I'm going to select SD card. And then I'm going to go back. And now we can see, when you look at the third option from the top right, we can see now it says 4K 30, and I've got an hour and 25 minutes and 27 seconds of recording capacity. So that's greatly superior to the internal storage, which most of the Mavic Pro 2s seem to default to as the primary storage location. So if you've been pulling your hair out over this, this is the fix. Again, I hope this video is of value. If it was, be sure to like this video. Subscribe to my channel, click that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video, and expand this video's description because you can find the micro SD card like I used there, as well as the Mavic 2 Pro, the Mavic 2 Pro accessories, and other drones too. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRick Sky here. Thanks again for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and ring that bell icon to be notified whenever I post another video. If you're looking for iRick Sky's Adventure Channel merch, like this t-shirt and a lot of other cool stuff, expand this video's description. You can find it all there. Y'all have a good day.